In this video, I am going to show you how to check your mnemonic phrases and private key on Bitget. Open the Bitget wallet app and navigate to the landing page and tap on Discover. Select Security and Privacy from the options provided and then tap on View Mnemonics. To verify your mnemonics, read the risk warnings message carefully and then tap on Check Mnemonics to proceed. Enter your 6-digit password when prompted, so ensure not to take a screenshot for security reasons. To view your private key, tap on View Private Key within the app. Select the wallet for which you want to view the private key and then enter your 6-digit password when prompted. It's crucial not to use the clipboard to copy the private key, as it poses a risk of compromising the key. Instead, write down the private key on a piece of paper for safekeeping. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more. In this